The secrets of body language. Now, it said that your words account for about 7% of your message, your tone 38%, and your body language 55% of your message. The way you use your body when you're communicating your message actually amplifies the words and the tone with which you speak. So it's important to know the deeper parts of body language so that you can use it to your advantage. First, I like to say that body language in itself shouldn't be mechanized. Body language should be born of the moment. Usually you see people trying to mechanize their body language, saying they're going to move like this when they do a particular, say a particular thing, or they're going to move their hands this way, or they're going to walk this way. And that is good, but that is not the best. Your body language should be born of the moment. It shouldn't be constructed. So the message should boil so much within you that it only pours out from you. So you see, body language is actually an outward expression of an inward condition. An outward expression of something coming from within you. But this doesn't mean that you shouldn't take note of the way you use your expressions. Because even though sometimes the message is burning within you, your body language could be tweaked, could be adjusted so that your message could be effectively communicated. So you have to check your body language through videos. You actually have to have people look at them for you, or you have to record yourself through videos to be able to look at your body language and know where you need to make some adjustments. So a couple of things you need to know about body language is body language shouldn't be overused. Your gestures shouldn't be overused. Excessive body language is a bad thing for a speaker. You don't want to move your hands too much or make facial expressions excessively. Sometimes you just need to be calm. And from time to time, use your body, use your hands and gesticulate. Use your eyes, your face to portray your message. Now, you have to take note of the body language that detracts from your message. Something that is distracting to your audience. For instance, I remember when I was in a class and this guy kept rolling his thigh when he was talking, answering a question. He kept rolling it up and down, rolling it up and down. So the focus was not what he was saying, but the focus was the fact that he kept rolling his thigh. I also remember this guy who kept scratching his nose when he was talking, and my mind went to the fact that he kept scratching. So that body language was not appropriate for that context, and it detracted from the message. So be careful about body languages that take from your message. Something you need to know also is that your body language should precede or be simultaneous with your words. I'll give you an example. That is the boy going. That is the boy going. So those examples show that body language should be simultaneous or precede your words. Now, take key notes of your movement when you stand before people. Let people give you feedback. Use videos to check if you are violating any of these points. If you need to tweak a bit and just adjust, you have to take note of that and begin to apply it into your speaking. But remember that your body language actually has to be born from within you. It shouldn't be mechanized.